About this item: loudspeaker double-ended USB-C cable. This is the USB-C to USB-C cable. Not the USB-C to USB-A cable, which means it has the same USB-C charger block on the both ends, so you need a USB-C wall charger to charge your device. High voltage 60W high-speed charging, output power up to 20 V3A, which is ensured by high-speed safe charging, 3x faster than the general 20W USB-C cable. And the USB 2.0 supports data transfer speed can reach 4060 MB/s, 480 Mbps. Crossmark do not support video output. Crossmark flexed biceps certified safety and quality assurance. JSAUX Type-C to Type-C cable has electronic safety certifications that comply with appropriate standards. You have no need to worry about this cable quality at all. Upgraded 3D aluminum connector and exclusive laser welding technology, which can ensure the metal part won't break. Mobile phone with Aero compatibility list. JSAUX USB-C to USB-C cable compatible with Samsung Galaxy S23/S23 Plus/S23 Ultra/S22/S22 Plus/S22 Ultra/S21/S21 Plus/S21 Ultra/S20/S20 Plus/S20 Ultra/Note 20.